An investigation right now underway after more than $250,000 was found in a backpack of a Delta Airlines employee agent at PBIA. Listen to this. Got a positive hit from a drug-sniffing canine, and now the Boynton Beach man in federal lockup awaiting his hearing. Now, this happened this weekend. Jean Celius says he was told to go to an airport bathroom and hand over $282,000 to an unidentified passenger that was headed to LaGuardia Airport in New York. I mean, this is straight out of a movie, right? That's according to federal court records viewed by the Palm Beach Post. Now, Celius reportedly used his employee badge to bypass those security checkpoints. Security stopped Celius, and authorities say they told him he had been paid, or he told them, as I should say, he'd been paid $3,900 for 4 previous deliveries. How and where he allegedly got his hands on that money still unclear, but Delta says the man is cooperating right now.